Hey everybody, welcome to Grocery Prepping. Thanks for joining us. Today is the day, my friends. Get out there and go shopping right now because we have things going on sale for the holidays, and it's the perfect time to prep because we can pick up these things at a greatly reduced price, save money now and prepare. Other people buy them for the holidays, but not us preppers. We get them because we save a buck and we can stockpile quite a bit. Let's jump right into them. Number one, turkey. Who doesn't love an amazing, delicious, juicy turkey? That's a rhetorical question. If you don't like turkey, then forget it. But we love turkey, and I've seen sales as cheap as 59 cents a pound. And I would challenge you, good luck finding any other kind of meat that's going to be at that price. We often pick up many of them, bake them, deep fat fry them, process them, make bone broth with the bones, and then can the turkey, which is going to last practically indefinitely. So stock up now on the turkeys, many as you can. Find the sales. I mean, that's why the grocery stores usually have you can only buy 2 at that price. But you know what? We have lots of people in our family, so we can get quite a few if we need to. I'm kidding, we don't do that. But we do buy a lot of turkeys, and I recommend you do the same thing too. Number 2, ways to cook. And I was going to say turkey fryers because right now you'll find turkey fryers on sale so you can deep fat fry your turkey, which makes them crispy and delicious, by the way. But that's not the only thing you can find on sale. I mean, you should still pick up a turkey fryer. Being on propane, obviously used for outdoors only, but they're great for doing all kinds of food processing. For example, we use it when we actually butcher and process our chickens. But there's lots of things on sale, by the way. Often this time of the year, you'll find barbecue grills on sale from last summer. I just saw a Walmart special where you can get a wood fire or charcoal fired pizza oven, sometimes smokers. Lots of stuff to get for when the power goes out for good. You'll be able to use these things to continue to prepare your food. Number 3, canned foods. Yep, I know. Here we go again, canned foods. I'm always talking about it. But right now, you can find some really good sales on canned food. Now, obviously, you're going to find the related ones for like Thanksgiving, maybe corn, maybe string beans or, green beans, or maybe pumpkin, etc., cranberries. Obviously, you want to buy those. If they're 10 cents off a can, I mean, think about it this way. You buy 10 of them, that's $1. And you'll be able to buy even more cans with the savings you have. So try to focus right now on the canned goods that are really on sale, because sometimes the grocery stores to get you in there will have really good sales on those. Stockpile those specific cans now and go ahead and save money for the future. Number 4, instant potatoes. And instant potatoes are one of the best things you can get when it comes to prepping and stockpiling. Granted, it's a lot of starches, a lot of carbs, but the instant potatoes are potatoes, by the way. FYI, don't get the ones with butter on it. They actually don't store as long. There's a possibility of rancidity, they'll possibly become rancid. How about that? And so just go for the regular potatoes, instant potatoes, potato gems. And I always take them out of their bags and put them in a Mylar bag with an oxygen absorber, and they'll last far longer. But instant potatoes are a great addition for your stockpile. Number 5, spices and seasonings. To make your holidays tastier, they often will have spices and seasonings on sale at stores. And I always say pick these kind of things up. Go for the ones that are actually on sale so you'll save money, because apocalypse, rice and beans, going to get pretty dull. So having spices and seasonings to make your apocalypse taste better is always a good thing. Number 6, liquor. And often during the holidays, and not necessarily Thanksgiving, but the holidays overall, you'll often find liquors on sale, which is good because we're not talking about simply just for drinking. You may enjoy having like some kind of cocktail, but there's a lot of more of the pure grain liquors, like vodka, for example, works very well medicinally. It actually can be, if it's a high enough proof, to be an antiseptic. And it can work for cleaning off counters, working on cuts. Not to mention, what we like to do is use it as tinctures to be able to make certain things, including, for example, our own homemade vanilla. Put vanilla beans in it and let it soak. That's Ashley's department. I'll have to have her tell you how to do that specifically. But it has so many different uses rather than just drinking your cocktails during the holiday times. But anyways, there's 6 things. Right now, every year, these things go on sale, and especially with this incredible high food prices and inflation we're seeing, it's the perfect time to stock up on things that are cheaper. In some of these cases, like the turkey at 59 cents a pound, much, much cheaper. Get it now and save. That way you can obviously be ready for whatever may become. Put in the comments below, what are some things you would add to this list? Because now is the time to shop. Shop for the holidays. Take advantage of this, but not for presents and gifts and all that stuff, but for stockpiling, because after all, we are preppers.